Hello YouTube, this is Nick George with Cloud's Diamond Sharpening. I'm just going to make a video today on me sharpening a hair clipper blade and what it takes to do and why I'm good at my job. Enjoy the video. So in this video I'm going to take this blade apart because the teeth are broken, and I'm going to use the parts off it, and I'm going to sharpen this clipper blade and show you that I can do a good job. So first I take out the screws, I remove socket and spring, move the cutter right there. This blade looks like it was already sharpened and I'm not using it. So we're going to use this one that has not been sharpened, has a little rust on it, it's not bad. And we'll sharpen a ceramic cutter, and so here we go, let's sharpen it up. So I'm a pretty fast sharpener. I can sharpen about 25 blades an hour by myself, even more with help. So let's get to work and see what happens here. So right now I'm putting shape on this cutter. It's hollowing out the middle so the teeth grab. Because if this was flat, I mean, it would save me a lot of money because I wouldn't have to get it resurfaced. Plus, it would make my job a lot easier, but the truth is blades are not flat. If they were flat, I would just use a block and save the money. But unfortunately, it's not good for your blade to use a block. So here's that, we'll clean it off. That looks beautiful. So now we're going to sharpen this. Clean it off, and there it is. It looks beautiful. So here's the blade I just sharpened. I'm going to oil it up, put it back together with the old parts over here. Alright, now it's time to test it. I hope it works or it's going to be super embarrassing. That's beautiful. If you have any questions, please leave comments below. We sharpen these clipper blades at a great price, and we sharpen scissors at a great price. Convex or beveled scissors, ceramic or regular blades, wall 5-in-1 blades, large blades, wide blades, all of it. Send it on, we'll sharpen it up today, and we won't delay.